A man returns to his small house deep in the forest and discovers something rare in the harsh winter weather. But as the first snowstorm of the season begins to form, that moment of peace quickly turns into a challenge. Cold winds sweep through the trees, and the snow grows heavier by the hour. Soon, the entire forest is buried in white, and the real question becomes clear. Can he survive in this tiny house when the storm finally hits? This is a journey that feels calm yet tense, a reminder of how powerful nature can be. In the middle of the freezing wilderness, he must find a way to hold on to a little warmth, protect himself, and face the storm head-on.